Hey Igor, what are you doing today?
Not so much. How about you?
I am just walking in the streets.
It seems both of us are pretty bored.
Then let's do something cause I'm tired of being bored.
Okay, relax. We will find out what we shall do.
Yeah, how about we eat a hot dog?
That's a great idea. But where?
Over at the cafe, they have a hot dog with two sausages.
Okay,
Which one will you have?
a double hot dog.
I take the same.
Yo, it's hot man.
Yes, but it's good.
Yes, indeed.
Let's go back.
Okay.
What are we going to do next?
How about we tell some jokes?
Yeah, great idea.
Okay. How many blunts should you use to screw a light bulb?
How many?
5.
Why?
One to hold the light bulb and 4 others to spin her around.
Ah, that's funny. One. Okay. My turn. What do we call a lot of gay guys in a bed?
What?
Mixed sausage.
Ha ho ho ho. Okay, my turn. How do you find a blonde in disguise?
How?
She has blonde hair.
Hi. That was the funniest joke yet. Okay, that's joke. What did the man say to the other man?
What?
Then we are two.
Ha 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 ha. He, he. That was funny as hell.
Okay, it was not that funny.
I know. That was funny.